Taurus, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of January 2022. So first of all, a happy new year to everyone, and this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. All right, so I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading. So let's get started. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. So what's there for my Taurus? January 2022, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Taurus, past, present and future energies. At the back of the deck is the Five of Cups. This is your overall energy. You could be feeling a little bit of, there's a little bit of sadness, there's a little bit of regrets, kind of, looking towards the negative right now, not wanting to look at the negatives, but somehow looking towards the negative. It could be you, it could be your person's energy as well. In the past, we have Page of Pentacles, Seven of Wands and Two of Wands. So there was a time where there was a little fight. Okay, so you could be dealing with a person where you and your person were taking your own stance, and you were not coming to any conclusion or a decision making, because somewhere one person was being really immature. I feel that you both were being at a very immature place. You both were, stick to your own opinions. You were not ready to even listen to other person's opinion or other person's words, whatever that person wanted to say. So it's kind of both kind of an energy which I feel over here. In the present, we have Nine of Swords, Four of Pentacles, the Lovers. The love is definitely there. Okay, if you both are in no contact, that's fine, but the love is there. But at the same time, you do not want to talk to each other because you feel that why me? Why should I connect with this person? That person should connect with me because that person said me so and so. And you both are really regretting for what you have said. You both are feeling a little bit of, that sadness and that grief inside you. In the coming future, I am seeing a big change, because somebody is coming towards you, or you could be talking. So there is a connection, communication. Ten of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune and the Empress. So this is something which is coming, which is like, like happening, something unexpected. So this is how the energy is coming to me. Let's clarify now. Tell me about the Five of Cups for my Taurus. Why Five of Cups is here? Temperance, Two of Pentacles and the Sun. So yes, although you are looking at the negatives, but at the same time you really do not want to look at the negatives. You feel like, it was such a beautiful time we both had. You are still balancing your mind and your heart. Because you want to balance it. See, you are trying to balance it because you have that thing, Taurus, inside you. You are wanting to be good to this person or being with this person. Tell me about the Seven of Wands in the past energy. Page of Swords, the Hanged Man and the Wheel of Fortune. I feel like you could have seen something in the social media about this person, or something like, a kind of an information which you have gotten, but not you have found that information. It could be because of somebody else. So this could be a wrong information which was actually came towards you, and because of that you both started to fight, and there were like, difference of the words. The bad words were said. It was kind of a situation where it wasn't meant to happen, but somehow it happened. Two of Wands, the Devil, Four of Swords and Ace of Swords. So yeah, it could be a toxic thing at the past, like it might have went to the abusing each other and not having the clarity, but still just fighting and fighting without even listening to the other person. So things went really bad. I can feel it, I can see it over here, Taurus. Tell me about the Lover's energy in the present. Seven of Swords, Seven of Cups, and the Eight of Cups. Yes, again, love is definitely there, but one person feels cheated and betrayal, and the other person feels like, that person has a lot of other people involved in their life, and there is a feeling of listening to other persons, a person's thoughts and words. So there is like, one person out of you two listens or talks to some other person, not in the manner of third party thing, but more kind of a relationship, or sorry, a relationship in the sense relatives or friends, cousins, family members. Okay, it can be anyone. So the other person talks too much about the relationship which you both had to other people, and that is why when you get manipulated by other people, you somehow tend to find the negatives only for the other person, and because of that there was like a lack of understanding of the situation and just moving towards something which is something more important. Although this was the important thing which you had to deal with, but one person left that communication or that situation and is going towards something new, or I do not want to be part of this thing now anymore. So this is kind of a thing which is coming up. Tell me about the Ten of Pentacles, but I am seeing a definite big change in this thing. Queen of Swords, Nine of Swords, and Three of Pentacles. So I feel that somehow you both are still in the same situation in the month of January, where you both are not ready to talk to each other, but a third person will help you out. Could be a family member, could be a teammate, okay, somebody from your work. So somebody is helping you to be again in this relationship, because this relationship was actually something good. Wheel of Fortune, Page of Cups, Three of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. Yeah, a message is coming towards you, but somewhere you are blocking this third person. You're somewhere you are not ready to talk to that person only, so that the communication might not happen. But this blocking energy will end it, because you are definitely getting a message from the person with whom you are dealing with, or somebody who will tell you that you have to stop doing all this, and you really need to talk to your person right now. The Empress energy, Eight of Wands, the High Priestess, and the Star. Yeah, communication and reconciliation is happening. So this is, I don't know for who this energy is, whom this reading is, but this reading is really good, because I'm seeing something which happened really bad in the past. In the present also it's not going good, but in the coming future the communication is definitely coming towards you, along with a message of getting reconciled again. So what decision are you going to take, my dear Taurus? Okay, so you really have to think about it, because you will only do what your intuition will tell you to do. So just listen to your heart, listen to your gut. Okay, so that is all from my side, and I hope that helps. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.